Now that you learned the different parts of an HTML element, where you have the opening tag, the content that shows on the web page, and the closing tag. You learned about some opening tags might have attributes, and in this case, this attribute, it has a value of the web address, so this content will show up on the web page as a link. Now, you might have encountered some errors when you were trying to practice your code. That's going to happen. Happens to me all the time. So we're going to look at debugging. And when you are debugging, so we're going to go to slide 20, 21, and you're going to work as a team so you can partner up to fix this HTML code below. You want the code to show what you see here on the page. Now, there are some errors in this code. So you're going to copy the code, go to this link, delete the code that's there, and paste. And you're going to run it. Now, when you look back, you want it to say this, and you want to look at your HTML and see where there are problems. So I would start with, okay, I have an HTML tag. Do I have an ending tag? I have an ending tag. I have a body start tag. Do I have an ending tag? I have an ending tag. Here I have words that end. And you're going to go through and see if you can find the 5 errors so that this will display correctly. Now, once you do that, you're going to go to slide 22. Now, there are more element structures you can use. The W3 School HTML tutorials will help you with anything you want to learn. So when you go to the website, for example, here it's going to help you understand what lists are. What is it going to create? It can create an unordered list and an ordered list. Well, what are those? An unordered list, and you can learn about how to make an unordered list with bullets and an ordered list with numbers. So look at what tags you must use to make that happen. And then explain what you learned about making lists. And then finally, what have you learned about? Well, you've learned about structure, how we can structure a web page using HTML elements and tags so that the content displays, and sometimes you need to use attributes and values. How can you share this information? Well, what do you like to do? Do you want to type some information? Maybe go to a Google Doc. Sometimes that's a little bit harder. Do you want to write using the speech to text? Do you want to record a video of your screen while you're talking? Do you want to just record your voice? Do you want to use a Google drawing or make your own Google Slides and add colors, shapes, and images? So think about what you want to use to explain. And then you can earn, after you're done doing that, you can earn Iron Man on your team.